Hello guys, this is mind-blowing information. In fact, this information is big. You can actually tap views and subscribers from the big YouTubers in your niche. Yes, you heard me right. Big ones, biggest ones in your niche. You can get views from their channels. These settings will allow you to access their page and upload your videos in their page, so that when people are watching them, those big ones that are watching them, they will be able to check your own videos out. Imagine when somebody in your niche has about 300,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, and you have access to upload your video in their page. So guys, it's big. People are going to check you out, and once they check you out and find your video relevant, they'll come to subscribe to your channel. From there, you increase your visibility, not just based on your page. Also, those that are watching something that is related to what you are creating will get to know you and subscribe to your channel. So guys, welcome to Shavera Voice. If you are serious about growing and making money on YouTube, this is the right channel for you, because in this video I'm going to take you step by step on how to be able to tap and post videos on your big YouTubers page. So let's go there. Let me show you how to. And please, before you can get access to these very things I'm talking about, you have to make sure you subscribe to their channels, so that you will be able to get access to upload your video to their communities. And also, once in a while, always go there and comment to their videos, and also write some fantastic comments, so that people will check your videos out. These are the ways through which you gain subscribers and gain visibility, which is the number one thing we all are searching for on YouTube. See you. Okay guys, let's dive into it. So when you get to your page, first of all, you go back and copy the link of the video you want to use. So let's say I want to use this particular video. I'll copy the link. Once I copy the link, I'll head over to her page, exactly the way we used to do it on Facebook. Exactly the way you do it on Facebook. So I'll go straight to her page. Now let me tell you, not all the big YouTubers has actually unlocked this very community post. Now let's search one person like Princess Chiamaka. As you can see, she has not really unlocked this post. Let's go to her post. You see her community post here. She doesn't have that here. She doesn't have it at all. So let's go to another place. The reason I told you that you will subscribe to their channels, look at Amaka Okoli. Let's go to Amaka Okoli page. Now this is Amaka Okoli. As you can see, she has this. If you did not subscribe to her channel, it's going to tell you to subscribe to the channel before you be able to post your videos there. So that is why you have to make sure you subscribe to their channel a day before you now go back to the page. Not subscribing immediately and trying to post immediately. It doesn't work that way. You have to subscribe like a few days before you can now go back to their channel to paste your link or to do other things that you want to do. So let's go back to Vibe Sonia. That is where I want to use. So when you get to Vibe Sonia, let's search for her page, Vibe with Sonia. So this is Vibe with Sonia page. This one is her life of Vibe with Sonia. This is her vlog. So let's go to her main channel. Okay, this is her main channel. If you look at this place, you see this visit community. That is where we're going to. Exactly the way you do it on your Facebook. You copy your link or you share your videos to groups on Facebook, then you gain visibility. That is the way it is here. So you click on it. This is her page. Exactly how this is her community page. Exactly how it looks like when you have your own. If you go back to your own community, you still see that this is how it is. Here I said what is on your mind. This place I said what is on your mind. That is where you are going to paste the link that you've already copied before. So what you do is that you come here, you write let's say guys watch this video, then you paste the link here. Paste the link. This is the link of the video that I want to use. So Guys, if you upload it like this, you just post it like this, it's going to show only link. It's coming out as link. It's not going to come out with your thumbnails, your picture or anything. It's just going to come out as link. So what you do is, as come over to this very box here, you click here. This will take you straight to your home, your gallery. You go and copy the thumbnail you have already prepared. You prepare your thumbnail down. So what you do is, I just click here, exactly the way you put your this thing next. It has come over there. I don't want to use this because I'm not through with this very thumbnail. So you just come here next. Now let's wait for it. So even have select images. You can select other images. Select up to 5 images for your post. You can select up to 5 images for your post. So as you can see, it has entered. So what you do is that you come back to this place, you put post. As you can see, the picture is already there. So anybody that comes to this place, click on this link. It will redirect the person to your page and they will get to watch your videos. So imagine you have people that have millions and thousands of subscribers in their page, and you get to have about 5-6 people where you go and upload your videos and also comment to their videos. Look at this. As this person Ella Media commented here, I may like what she comment. From there I'll just click and go to her page to check her. So that is how it is. You come to their page, you like it, and they also comment or watch what they're doing, comment them, and you be able to gain visibilities. So that is how it work, like the way we do it on Facebook. So this is it. You go through, from here you'll be able to connect with a lot of viewers and gain subscribers, because a lot of them here are also still small YouTubers and also big YouTubers as well. As you can see, this is another person's picture. So that is how you gain visibilities. People are actually posting their videos here. These are people on her community, as you can see. So you are not just the only one that is going to be posting. You post something and somebody can check you out here. So this is how it works. So let's say I want to leave this here. I want to leave this my picture here. So if you click, somebody click here like this. Let's say somebody click here like this. If you're uploading videos, you're not getting views, no subscribers, no impression. Listen closely. The problem might not be your content. The problem might be your settings. So that is how it works. In today's videos, I'm going to review to you 3 hidden settings that has been secretly blocking your videos from going viral. Okay guys, for you to get views from this page, you have to know that a lot of things are at stake here. For you to get views here, you have to make sure that the video you really want to upload here is video that you add a lot of values. Your titles must be clear and your thumbnails must also be clear, must be curiosity driven, enticing, inviting. These are the things you have to do to put in place so that people will see your videos and your title and get attracted to your videos for you to get views. You know, somebody like big Vibe Sonia, big YouTubers, Princess Chiamaka, all those ones, Maka Okoli. So all those ones are big YouTubers. People listening to them are listening to them because they have a lot of values to give. So when you want to upload your video in their page, you have to make sure it's a video that you add a lot of work, you create, you edit. Your editing must be perfect. Add a lot of value on your teaching so that once people click on that video, they will trace you back to your main page, and from there your viewers becomes your subscribers. From there you are tapping from your big competitors in your niche. And I said in your niche, please don't use other people's niche. If you are into YouTube growth, go for those in YouTube growth. If you are into cooking, go for those in cooking. If you are into entertainment, comedy, go for those in your niche. Don't upload your video in somebody else's niche. You may not get view. People may neglect your video. From there you may get low click rate. So if you find value on this video, don't forget to comment at the comment section, like this video and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow together. Bye bye.